How to disable Microsoft Copilot button in Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open search bar on your device. Then search for Copilot. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In Copilot, you will find uninstall option on the bottom. Simply click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled. As you can see, there is no Copilot in your taskbar as well as it has been removed. After simply doing that, simply restart your device. And these methods should help you disable or remove the Copilot button from your Windows system. And that's how you disable Microsoft Copilot button in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.